And thank you once again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. As you clearly see here, this is a Koellman extruded gearbox. We did a full remanufacture, replaced every bearing and seal, manufactured a new high-speed helical gear set. This was done under emergency rush repair. So the gear set that we had manufactured was made out of FXT2 material, and that was ground to AGMA 12. So everything running smooth here. This will run about an hour and a half. We run for another hour and a half. We like to get about 3 hours total, 3 to 4 hours. But so far, no leaking, no vibration, any abnormalities. We're very pleased with this. All work guaranteed for 24 months from the date of startup, and we do free freight and free quotes nationwide. You can take a walk with me here, Isaac. We are doing some other repairs on another large gearbox here. This is one of our pug mills for the aggregate industry. We manufactured 3 new helical pinions, and you will see that in the video as well. Got our guys cutting our shims here, resetting all our bearing floats and the bearing preloads to the manufacturer specs. We're now doing the disassembly on a Dodge, a Maxim gearbox. Like I said, free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice day.